Hey family, happy Friday. Um, look. So this is kind of a hard video, and it's talking about, stomachs, big stomachs when you have a smaller body, that frame. Whew. Okay. So I got like 3 emails and people talking about their belly and what they can do. And then when they tell me their diet, they eat meat. So no slight to the people who eat meat and have stomach and that's overweight. So I'm just gonna go with this video. Look, so look, before we get started, like, share, and subscribe. I want to make sure I cut to the chase because this video I might lose some subscribers. Look, no slight. When I get these questions, I just like to answer them. I did not answer it this past Tuesday because I was feeling some type of way. But look, a gentleman sent me this picture because this is what his mom says is healthy, and I really didn't know how to talk about it. But I said, let's talk about it. Let's just get into the nitty gritty. Look, if you or if your family's telling you that's healthy, then this is what your colon looks like. So I just want to talk to you about your health. If you have some people, it's a medical condition. I just want to tell you, look, your intestines, your small intestines, it's about, if you know a regular golf ball, so it's about the size of a golf ball. I'm not even going to go into, what you should do, but I'm just going to just be real. I'm just going to just talk about the stomach area, it's really your intestines, that y'all not really understanding. So if your small intestines, it's about the length of a tennis court. If you know how a tennis court, walk a tennis court, that's the length of your small intestines. Okay. So your small intestines can hold up to 1 to 3 gallons of liquid. Okay. So I just want to just address that. So it can hold up to 1 to 3 gallons. That's how much your small intestines can hold. Okay, so think about all the bacteria and all the stuff what it's doing. But only thing should be in there is, the food that you eat. That should be in there. But we already know what else is in there. Parasites is in there, bacteria is in there. It all depends on what you're eating. What you want in there is just the food you eat. So it can give you the nutrition and energy that your body, the reason why you eat. So I just want to keep this off of, the other stuff. So we're talking about the size of your belly. So if you know the small intestines is about the size of golf ball. No, I don't have a golf ball, but I can show you a golf ball now. So that's the size of how big your small intestine can get. I'm just gonna just put it that way. But we gotta think about the length. Now your small intestines is thin. That's why it's so easy for you have permeability where you can have stuff leaking out. The walls open and it leaks out into your bloodstream. So we're gonna keep it there. Y'all already know. Y'all already know I talk about this all the time. But I'm just gonna tell you. So if it holds 1 to 3 gallons, you know what's going on with your gut area. So let's go to your large intestines, where your colon, where the poop is. And some of you guys have a blockage. You just don't know. You could, just like your arteries when it clogs. It's the same thing could be going on with your colon. Your colon can just be getting clogged too. Okay, so like what I was talking about the colon. Like what I was talking about your arteries. Look, your arteries, just like I was saying in your arteries, you know how if with the deposits and all that stuff be sitting in there, same thing. Same thing could be going on with your colon. Your colon could be getting clogged. I said coated. When we talk about the death begins and diseases and all kinds of other stuff, that's what's going on in your colon. The reason why, well, I just wanted to clarify that because we're talking about your stomach and we're talking about, your midsection and why it's big. Now, the size of your colon, your colon can get as big as a small grapefruit. So if I'm talking about a grapefruit, y'all know the size of grapefruits. I'm gonna show a couple of pictures of the grapefruit now. Y'all see the size of the grapefruit. So if you think about your colon, where the poop is, you think about your colon could be inflamed. We know we talked about it. I'll tell you about your colon and why you were protruding and why is it staying there. Some people be like, oh, it's fat in the walls and all this other stuff. And so we're just talking about your stomach. So if you have a smaller frame and if you have a stomach, I, I'm just gonna put it there. It's not healthy. It's not healthy, and you already know what you need to do. I'll show a couple of things you need to do. And look, I know on my preparatory blend for my colon cleanse, rhubarb is one of them that's in there. That's one of my secret ingredients. There's two more. I'm not going to tell it, but that's one of my secret ingredients in my colon cleanse because I want to clean you out. I want to clean you out. I want to make sure you're clean. But back to your stomach. Look, it's no joke. It's not healthy. It's not healthy. I I know you guys will be like, some people, some women like the pillow. It's okay. It's okay if it's a small pillow. But if your pillow's that big, it's not healthy. It's not healthy. So look, it's not healthy. So I just want to talk about, the belly. And I just wanted to clear that fact up. No, it's not good. If you got your stomach like this, that's how your colon. So that's what's going on in your belly, in your colon, in your intestines, and small intestines. Because look, if your colon can come to a size of a grapefruit, imagine how poop you have in your colon. So now you know what's going on in there. And I just want to just leave it there. That's all I want to do is leave it there. I'm not going to go on and on. You can leave the comments. Go ahead, leave the comments. Y'all already know I don't mind the comments. I will answer you. But you definitely need to fix that. You definitely need to fix that. That's why I say you need to go at least once a day. Well, I'd be lying if I say once a day. If you eat meat 3 meals a day, or if you eat meat during each meal, or if you eat 3 to 4 meals a day, and if you're eating either 2 meals a day, I'm talking about a nice sized meal, then you should be pooping twice a day. With the 4 meals, you should be pooping 3 times a day. But I just wanted you to look at this. Come on. You're already seeing all the bellies that I'm showing you. So I'm just showing you the different sizes. So I just want to be clear and, you need to fast. Look, fasting, it can beat any day, any drugs out there. Fasting. Fasting is powerful. It puts you on a spiritual awakening. It puts you, it just resets your body. Look, y'all don't believe me. I keep saying this. So answer this for me. Just answer. I mean, I'll wait. I'll wait. Answer this. Why, when you get admitted in the hospital, the doctor puts you on a fast? They go, okay, just do liquids, and you get stuck to the IV. I just want to know. I just want to know. So if you don't have your colon cleansed, or if you're not going, look, you're going to end up in the hospital. You're going to end up in the hospital. It's going to get impacted. You don't want it to go back up. But look, it's already being absorbed into your body. It's already being absorbed. That's why you'd be like, I got arthritis? How I get arthritis? Where do arthritis come from? So look, I can go on and on. Y'all know my videos are always talking about pooping. Y'all should be pooping. You should be going. Look, y'all already seen these clips. My videos are more of looking at the video versus you hearing it. If you want to hear it, go on the podcast. I go a little bit deeper in the podcast, and I be real nice to you guys on the videos. But Look, you need to fast, you need to cleanse, and sometimes cut back on a lot of things. You know, you see this slide right here talking about the sugar. I just I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you, but I just want to get back to, if your midsection is like that, 9 times out of 10, something's going on in your colon. Something's going on in your intestines. Yeah, I know your small intestines is not your colon, right? Okay, I just want to make sure I say that. But look, if your, I'm just going to reiterate it. So if your small intestines is the size of a golf ball, and your big intestines can go big as a grapefruit, what you think? Why you think is that big? You need to go. You seriously need to go. You need to increase your fruits and vegetables, and you need to go. You definitely need to go. You know, incorporate root bar. You know, if you want to get it yourself, get it. If you want to get, I'm probably saying it wrong. Um, Oregon grape, get that. If you need to get butternut, these are laxatives. These are natural laxatives that you need to do. So you already know I'm trying to tell you, shoot, if you're really that bad, if it's been a week or so, even if it's been past 3 days, go get you some castor oil and take it. You know, if you don't want to take it, rub it on your abdomen. Rub it on your abdomen. You need to be taking it. So look, and increase your water. Y'all don't believe me? That half your body weight, half your body weight in water. So look, I'm gonna end it from there. But this is from from the gentleman that sent me the clip about his midsection, and you know, when they talk about what's healthy and what's not. And granted, look, just because you got a chiseled body doesn't mean you're healthy. It does not, because you could you could be eating bad too. We do got people that weight lift that eats bad, but their body's in a better in a better state. I'm just gonna put it to you that way, in a better state, because they're lean. They're going there. So look, I ain't gonna get all into it. Y'all know your bodies. Y'all know what y'all be eating. Look, y'all know what y'all be eating. So just gonna leave it there. Yeah, this was a crazy video to do, but it's, look. You just don't want that midsection. You just don't want that midsection. So look, happy Friday, and look, you got paid, so go get root bar, some butternut bark, and add to your apothecary. Please add to your apothecary. That is a natural laxative. And look, when you take it, you will be going. You will be going. So look, Herbalist Viola. Happy Friday, you guys. Bye.